Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share the MakeHuman's download link with you. All of these versions, it included the MakeHuman 1.1.1, 1.2.0 and 1.3.0. For some of the issues from the official sites, sometimes we are unable to download it, or sometimes it is unable to load. So for all of these versions, because of the MakeHumans is a free software, I already re-uploaded to my OneDrive, and all of these are the OneDrive link. You can just download from here. Everything will just guarantee smooth. And you can just go to my video description and download it from my official site, the freedom3d.art. I already put the official link. I already put the MakeHuman's sites at there, and all of these are originally from the MakeHumans community, so I never changed the software, or are just original. It included the Blender plugin, the MPFB as well. You can just have one click or just right click open with a new tab, then it will lead you to the OneDrive. You just need to click from here. Right. That's all for today about my sharings of the MakeHuman software 1.1.1, 1.2.0 and 1.3.0, and also the MPFB. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings about the 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. See you.